This is where it starts. A box arrives, and inside isn't just a product. It's the beginning of a process that most people never see. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, bags, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. Now, this video isn't about the bags. Those videos have been released and I will link to them down below. So this isn't a review and it's not first impressions. This is about something slightly different. What a brand collaboration on YouTube actually looks like. From first contact all the way through to launch day. So this started with an email, and that's usually how it works. A brand reaches out, or sometimes, as with Fyro, you engage with them and then they reach out. And that's what happened with me. Aaron, Fyro's founder and creator of the Nomads Nation YouTube channel, must be the nicest guy in the bag world. He genuinely engages and interacts with his audience and the wider carry community through, amongst other channels, the Nomads Nation newsletter. And if you're putting content out there consistently, people do notice. Now, in this case of the Citta backpack, this wasn't the first time I'd worked with Fyro. They'd previously sent me the Liaison travel backpack and the Citta sling. So there was already a bit of a relationship there. But this time, when they got back in touch, it was different. It was about being part of a product launch. Mind blown. For a small and still relatively new channel, that was a big deal. Not because it's free gear, but because it shows a level of trust. They're effectively saying, we're happy for you to represent our brand, our product at launch. And that comes with a bit of responsibility. Because at that point, you're not just opening a box for a video. You're part of how that product is introduced. Now, one thing that's really important to say. With Fyro, there's no script approval. There was no payment and no one tells you what to say. No one is reviewing the video before it goes out. And that's how it should be. Because if that wasn't the case, this wouldn't work. The audience has to trust that what they're seeing is genuine. And that also means that not everything gets accepted by the channel. I've been approached about products that just do not fit. Very niche tools. Things I wouldn't know how to use or realistically carry. And I've turned those down. Because if I don't know how to use it or how I'd use it, I can't make a meaningful video about it. And if something didn't genuinely work, I wouldn't push it just for the sake of it. So the next step is this. The box arrives. And seriously, this is still one of the best parts. There's always that moment of, what have they actually sent? And in this case, they didn't just send one of the new Citta EDC backpacks, they sent two, one in each size. It was like being a kid at Christmas, eagerly opening the packaging. What are they like? What's it like in the hand? How does it feel? And like the Liaison backpack and the Citta sling, these are really well put together bags. I loved them before I'd even started testing them. After that, I'll go straight back to the brand. Let them know that the product has arrived. Maybe share some early thoughts and give them an idea of timing. Now with this one, it was slightly different because everything is working towards a launch date. So that timeline is agreed up front. The bags arrived in April with a view to launch at the beginning of July. Then comes the important bit, using them, not just for a video, but properly, day to day, seeing how they fit into my actual carry. And this is where I probably differ slightly. I'm not a spec heavy bag reviewer. I'm more interested in how something fits into real use everyday carry, how it works as part of a system for work, for travel, for actual use, rather than being stuck in a cupboard. My schedule is a busy one. I have a day job which is mobile based, in and out of a car visiting sites and service users. I combine that with running a pub that I co-own, the Big Six Inn in Halifax, featured on my other channel, Wando James Pubs, Pints and Places. I make YouTube videos in my spare time, and in what's left of my spare time, we do like to do things, go places and enjoy life. So I like bags and gear that reduces friction in all of those areas. So then it's into planning. What angle am I taking? How does this fit into the wider channel? Scripting, filming, editing, and then watching it back and asking, am I actually happy with this? Because once it goes out, that's it. Then we get to launch day. The video's uploaded, scheduled, and waiting. And when it goes live, that's when you see how everything comes together. Not just your video, but what everyone else has done as well. Different angles, different approaches, the same product, but completely different perspectives. And at the end of all this, you hope the video does well, and you hope the product does well, and you hope that you have been part of a successful launch. Co-owning a business myself, you want small businesses to succeed, especially a business like Fyro, that are making products that I genuinely like and use constantly, and are genuinely great people to work with. So that's the whole process, from an email to a product launch. Please do let me know what you think down in the comments. I read every single one. And if you've watched the other Fyro videos in this series, I really do appreciate it. There are links to the Citta down below, as well as to my Substack and to my other channel, Wando James Pubs, Pints and Places. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.